Welcome. If you've ever wanted to quickly find all your Instagram posts by date while using your PC, the latest Instagram update makes this easier than ever. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the new process, so you can instantly locate any post from your history. No endless scrolling required. First, open your favorite browser and head straight to Instagram.com. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find the main menu. Click on the menu icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots at the bottom left corner. A list of options will appear. From here, click on your activity. This section is your personal hub for everything you've done on Instagram. Now, look for the Photos and Videos section within this page. Under that, you'll see Posts. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now see a list of all the posts you've shared. But let's make things even more efficient. At the top of this section, you'll find the Sort and Filter option. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can choose the exact date or date range you want to search within. Select your desired start and end dates. Maybe you're looking for a vacation memory from last summer or a specific event from a few years back. Once you've set your dates, simply click Apply. Instantly, Instagram will filter your posts and show only those that fall within your chosen time frame. It's that simple. No more scrolling for ages or guessing when you posted something. With this new update, managing and revisiting your Instagram memories on PC has never been more convenient. Give it a try and rediscover your favorite moments in just a few clicks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing through your Instagram history.